Stay tuned for 5 things you must not do if you think you have mold.
Hi everybody, I'm Kathleen with Remediation 911. Here are 5 things not to do if you feel you have mold in your home.
Number 1.
Number 1, do not disrupt the mold colony. If you do, mold spores can cross-contaminate the rest of your property.
Number 2.
Number 2, do not overlook your safety. It's extremely important to protect yourself and wear an N95 mask while you are looking at your mold issue before you call someone. It can really affect your health, especially elderly people or anyone that has immune deficiencies or young infants or children.
Number 3.
Number 3, and this is a very important one. There's a very big misconception that bleach kills mold. It does not. It's very important that you use an anti-microbial to kill all of the mold spores.
Number 4.
Number 4, please don't paint over your mold. A lot of people try to paint over mold with kills, and it will not properly kill the mold. The mold can still grow inside the walls.
And number 5.
Last but not least, the most important recommendation I can give is hiring a licensed mold remediation company to come in and take care of your mold issue. This will alleviate any cross-contamination in your home of disrupting your air quality throughout your property. There's a lot of contractors out there and handymen that state that they're able to do mold remediation, but without the proper containments, equipment, antimicrobial, and steps taken to not cross-contaminate your home, you can have further issues down the road and the mold will not be remediated properly. Thank you again for visiting Remediation 911. If you feel your property is experiencing any mold issues, please reach out to us for a free property inspection. We're here to help you.